as we go through the movement, I will be exhaling forcefully enough for you to be able to hear me, right? And so use that as auditory clues on like, where am I inhaling? My sharp exhale. And then as I exhale through the movement, so that you really get a good feel for what you should be doing throughout this entire movement, okay? So we are going to start in tabletop position. You are going to do a nice 360 breath in. Sharp exhale to help with pelvic floor and core engagement. And then you're going to move opposite arm and opposite leg while keeping pelvis nice and neutral. I don't want you dipping your pelvis forward and going like too far up like this. We want to keep a nice neutral pelvis and spine. There's your bird dogs.